Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that gives you only the best of the best when it comes to bikers moments caught on camera. In this episode you can expect to watch road rage, close calls, biker sky moments, police encounters and many more. Stay tuned throughout the whole episode because you'll definitely enjoy it. Biker didn't hit the record button when he was dangerously overtaken by this driver, but we do, however, have the aftermath of the scary close call. Check it out.
You can overtake someone, you leave the f***ing lane. You don't stick in my lane. So when you overtake someone, you leave their lane. You don't stay partially in my lane. Stupid.
Biker was in a sandwich here because there was a car on his left and he could only move over by that much. This was also a lot closer than it looks on camera. Pay attention at your side mirrors, people. It can save lives.
You almost killed me! Watch!
I think that the biker wouldn't even consider smashing this driver's mirror if the driver were to apologize. But unfortunately, he didn't want to. Let's see this one more time. Some bikers use lane splitting to their advantage, like this biker here. He hit the side mirror of one driver and instead of apologizing and facing up to his mistake, he just moved on through the dense traffic. Whenever you're in a position to put a smile on someone's face, don't hesitate. You don't know what someone is going through in their life, and who knows, maybe your kind deed is just what they need.
Excuse me. How you guys doing? I have something for you guys. I have a rose for you guys. Do you want one too? On this beautiful Sunday? Of course. Have a good one, guys. Excuse me? Can I give you something? There you go. Have a good day. It's right here in downtown. No! Come back! I got you something. There you go. Have a nice day, guys. I got you a rose. Of course. You guys having a good day? Heck yeah, I know, right? Have a good one, guys. Running over here. We got everyone looking. I'm dead. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm dead. No, where are they going? No. Oh. Of course. Have a good day, guys. You too. These are the same people.
We hope that by watching videos like this one, you will also get encouraged and motivated to go out and do something kind for a stranger. This can have a really powerful impact on other people you can't even begin to imagine.
Hey, I got you. I got you a rose. Have a good one. I don't know what this is. Are you reaching for a rose? Huh? No. Don't be. What? What? Don't be sorry. I thought you were reaching for the rose. Have a good day, guys. You. It's the last one.
Thank you.
Do I get your number though?
Oh,
It's the last one.
yeah. Okay.
Here, I'll put it in.
Sorry, I don't have anything to offer. I'm just here for moral support for this guy. Uh-oh.
Where are you guys from? Oh. Okay, text me. I'm from here too. Alright, later. Dub Riz. That was the last one too.
Let's go right.
This lady ran out of gas and she was pushing her car all by herself with no one to stop and help her. That soon changed when this biker noticed her.
Do you need help?
Huh?
Do you need help?
Actually, if you wouldn't mind, I just need help getting it in here.
All right. Good.
I don't know what happened. Just stopped out of nowhere. It's not even out of gas.
Wheel it off.
No,
Yeah.
Biker did something he's about to regret. And I mean, really regret it. I don't know if he hit the officer's car on purpose or by an accident. Either way, the situation was about to get hectic. Stay tuned.
It's going down, baby! Keep it real! Keep it real! Keep it real!
With this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully you learned something out of all the mistakes you saw in this episode. If you enjoyed this one, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Your support means a lot. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.